Hello, I am Mihela. Today I am going to tell you one of the most beautiful birds. The present-tailed jacana. Like all other jacanas, they have elongated toes and nails that enable them to walk on floating vegetation in shallow lakes, their preferred habitat. They are found in tropical Asia from Yemen west to the Philippines in the east and move seasonally in parts of their range. They are the only jacanas that migrate long distances and have different non-breathing and breathing plumages. The present-tailed jacanas sound like They may also swim or wade in water, reaching their body while foraging mainly for invertebrate prey. They are not common birds or rare birds. I have been to many wetlands in Sri Lanka. In fact, I have visited the boardwalk in Kotte near the parliament every few weeks, but I have not seen any present-tailed jacanas. The only time I had seen a present-tailed jacana was when I went to Kalundeva near Dambulla. Please subscribe to see my next video about the Sri Lankan jungle fowl.